What's up everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today is Thursday, December 14th. In today's video, which is the second video today of BONK, because we have an emergency update. Why is that? Because we just found out just 24 minutes ago that BONK is going to be listed on the largest crypto exchange in the world, that is Binance. Now, why is that important to share with you, and how does that affect the token price? We're going to be talking about what has happened over the past 24 hours because the billion-dollar market cap is growing. So let's go and cover these different details and also talk about something related to the Solana Saga phone. What does that all mean? Well, let's go ahead and tune in. So as always, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, what's going on with the BONK token? Can you believe it? In the past day, we've seen this increase over 100%. I'm seeing this in live time right now at 8:45 p.m. Pacific time. Right now, the market cap has now officially reached $1.7 billion. I remember when we were covering this token at $9 million. This is so crazy. To see it grow over the past month has been shocking. This is what we would call the meme coin phase. We saw this with Dogecoin, we saw this with Shiba Inu. BONK is doing the exact same thing because now it's the meme token of Solana. Solana doing really well in its token price, renewed activity. It's kind of crazy. So what else is going on? Okay, so let's go ahead and see what records it's broken. Right now, it already flipped Flow, which was a cryptocurrency that was valued around $1.1 billion in terms of its market cap. And then other things that flipped over was Maker and also BUSD, which is a stable coin. And then we also saw that it flipped Arbitrum. You see how it's kind of growing from 1.3 to 1.5 billion dollars within a short amount of time frame. And then all of a sudden, people started noticing that the Solana Saga phone was doing something related to the BONK token. And why is that? Well, apparently this phone has been selling over the past 48 hours because it's been kind of speculated that if you were to buy a phone, so basically 30 million BONK tokens will be airdropped to each person who buys a Solana Saga phone. So that's roughly around $623 at the time of this recording. Now, to actually buy one of these phones, it's actually $599 off of their website. And also what's not included is the tax that's going to be added to this and the shipping fees. So $599 is probably much a basic price. So again, it's limited, right? So basically the Solana Mobile announced that there's a limited amount of purchases, which is basically one per household. So you can't just have buy 5 phones and try to take up all those tokens, because they realized basically people were wanting this token really badly that they're willing to buy the phone. And so the Solana co-founders said that basically this may sell out. The phone may sell out by tomorrow, just considering the demand of this. And why is that? Well, it's because of this news that we have right here, and that is regarding the announcement of BONK being listed on the largest exchange in the world, Binance. We know that Binance has the largest crypto trading that I've ever seen, and they literally just posted this a few moments ago. And so this is breaking news. This is really big. Why is this really big? Well, let's talk about it. Well, when this is going to be available on Binance, it's going to be available for spot and margin trading in mainly USDT, so Tether. So keep that in mind. And what's also really important is that we got to talk about the amount of trading volume that happens on Binance. As you can see here, in terms of the top cryptocurrency spot exchanges, Binance is number one. It has been number one for almost all time, I feel, within the crypto space over the past 4 years. So it's the top dog. And right now, look at this, the volume, $14 billion compared to $2 billion with Coinbase Exchange here. That's crazy. So this is going to do something to the price of BONK. So again, we called this out really long ago, back on April 24th. We said here that right around here at the price of 0.0000006 cents that we invested $500. And this is really why it's really important to join our Patreon page down in the link below, because we make calls like this very early on. And it's always about holding positions, right? But we notify our members when we're buying, when we're selling these tokens. So if you want to click on that link below, feel free to join us. So as a conclusion and statement regarding BONK being listed on Binance, what does that actually do to the token price? Now keep in mind, this could be a pump until tomorrow, and you have to keep in mind there could be a dump right after, meaning there could be a dip. But I am telling you, BONK is trying to do what I've been trying to say to everybody in our previous video on the upper right hand side about how this token is trying to reach the $5 billion market cap. Why is that? Because it wants to flip Shiba Inu. Remember, this is a community meme coin. this is not some investment for utility. This is literally what memes are about. People from a community trying to do something together, which is something that I cannot explain. Again, we saw this with Dogecoin, we saw this with Shiba Inu, and there's always a culture there. So there's like a meme coin thing happening with Solana, and it's happening with BONK. So again, keep this with a grain of salt. What I'm saying may sound like FOMO euphoria, but regardless, it's money. So don't go spending your savings on this feeling like FOMO. You're literally buying the top. So if you haven't bought this token, you really have to question, why are you trying to buy this token? Are you trying to get rich? Are you trying to lose money? What is it, right? Because it can go either way. So know your intentions, what your motivation is before investing. Again, I'm just an entertainer on this YouTube channel. All I'm trying to do is educate. As much as you're educated, hopefully you can make the decision for yourself to find the right entry and exit strategy for yourself. Will the BONK listing on Binance change the trajectory of BONK? Will it go to the upside or downside? Do you think it's going to flip Shiba? I want to know your thoughts down below, and I cannot wait to read them. So as always, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive all of our alpha calls on both buy and sell orders on both NFTs, cryptocurrencies, and also meme coins. Until then, see you guys and girls next time.